This time around,
I don't think voting in power the way basitshela ngakhona. Mina esayidini lama
yeah, was the time around I was tempted to vote.
Mina ngiboni vele.
But I didn't.
Angeke angiboni ngeke ngivote. I don't think that's the reason I'm saying is I don't think voting in the power the way basho ngakhona. Because if laba run South Africa, because in South Africa daughter it stop exchange sengisiwe vele. So laba run in South Africa laba ina decision proper decision for South Africa benge bavumele abantu bavote if kuvote kune power. I'm telling you. Yabona mafuna boni power. Thani kube ne shutdown kulokho yonke into ngamove anything utobona uthi lelo lenifuna angebe balalele. You understand nelo? So go voter it's just a waste of energy and time. You understand? So limata wonke umuntu every time makuthi nje mina bengifisa ngesingamne lelanga leliviki lokuvota ngalo. But shut down everything. Nitsela abantu bahambisa labantu labo kuhamba la. Abahambeni.
Yeah.
Abahambeni asivote bangahamba. Asivote ebhoda ingakakhiwanga lomzila lama billion asaphumile lapha ebhoda.
Yeah.
Liviki bangakuvala ngeliviki lapha ngabita ama China kuvala ngeliviki lokho. Ngeliviki I'm telling you. Clean.
Ngaba into futhi le fast.
Ngani sibe vote. Mabathi vote nana. Akuhambeni everything I shut it down for 7 days, full 7 days.
Mina yakuthi why ngavote. Number 1. Angicabanga ukuthi ni one ngayinda lishintsho ngaleyo ndlela. Labanye bathi ukujoka ukuthi akunale iphathi mhlambe beshoda ngelivote leli 1 lakho. Bakushaya wayini ukuthi iphathi ishoda ngelivote linye.
Psychology.
Bashamulo wrong.
No, they always do like that. Babantu laba vele bakushamulo nge-psychology every time. If you vote RDP wasawathola.
Benokuhlala phasi ukuthi okay. Lami vote belo wenda mehluko. Unini labathe khona iANC na 50, EFF na 49. Ibekushoda mina. Oh, kude. So
psychology nje.
Akubi choice emuntu shaka vote. And asikhethele umuntu ukuthi avotele bani. Ngoba ufuna ukuvotela mara
we're not.
Vote with
mina ngajabula vele South Africa bathi shut down lama party onke lakhona awaphume angeke ngikufollow to party one we tired of so parties mfethu. Le mali abafunda ngawo lama parties bebangafunda tikom nema city lahluphekayo. There are many people that are hungry out. But my party ayadlondlobala. No, SDP ithatha phela manje.
Well,
We don't asking ourselves that question. Would that person when he was in power bekendani? Asakunyela sonke speech SDP. That guy was an MMC. Uyendeleni phina?
Hayi labaningi bayasho ukuthi ubendele.
Yini yawondile. Okay.